Hi, I'm Sandra Craig from the Legislative Assembly of Ontario talking about our website archiving activity. The Ontario Legislative Library serves the members of Provincial Parliament and their staff, legislative committees, and the staff of the Legislative Assembly. The library is a descendant of the parliamentary libraries of the Province of Upper Canada and the United Province of Canada. Election campaign material is an important and unique part of our collection, and we have print material dating back to the late 1800s. Campaign literature is routinely collected during elections, usually acquired through staff donations, which has resulted in an incomplete collection and only partial coverage of electoral districts. In 2007, we began archiving websites for general elections and by-elections to provide more comprehensive election coverage, better access to them, and ensure long-term preservation. We've used a variety of software tools to capture the sites, including HT-Track, Website Copier, Offline Explorer Pro, and Webcam, which was developed by Library and Archives Canada, but is no longer maintained, and Adobe Acrobat DC. We've archived candidate and party websites for 3 Ontario general elections, candidate websites for 21 Ontario by-elections. Access is available through our online catalog, and we have internal research guides which link to the archived sites. 2018 Ontario general election posed several challenges. There were over 20 registered political parties, over 700 candidates, and the websites were complex. We had limited staff available to capture the sites. It's a time-consuming process because of manual captures, and we wanted Word format instead of PDF. The solution was a partnership. We collaborated with the University of Toronto Libraries to capture the sites. UTL has technical expertise in web archiving and uses Archive-It software. We contributed seed lists of candidates, assisted with metadata creation, and provided support for quality assurance. The result is a comprehensive collection of campaign websites for the 2018 Ontario provincial election. Thank you.